Inside Thailand's highly secured currency factory, powerful machines are printing millions of baht banknotes with extraordinary precision. But these notes carry a history that stretches back more than a century, reflecting Thailand's royal heritage and the evolution of its modern financial system. From early paper currency to today's advanced banknotes, the baht has become a powerful symbol of national identity. Now, behind guarded doors, how are these historic notes designed, protected, printed, inspected, cut, bundled, and secured? The answer is hidden inside Thailand's money factory, so watch until the end.
We need to stabilize the flow rate on filtration stage 2. Adjusting the servo motors now. Pressure should normalize shortly.
Increase the flow rate on tank 3. Confirmed. Adjusting now.
The data trend on the formation zone looks stable now.
Agreed. Let's push the adjustment through.
Monitoring the impact on pulp flow.
The thermal variance on the left side is slightly elevated.
I see it. Initiate a recalibration sequence on scanners 2 and 3.
Ensure the watermark alignment is pixel perfect.
I'm cross-referencing the microtext right now.
This alignment on the intaglio print needs verification.
Comparing the physical sample now, it seems consistent with the digital overlay. The measurements check out.
The guilloche pattern depth is within tolerance. Microscopic text alignment is precise. Agreed. Finalizing the quality control report.
These readings confirm the sample meets the security specifications.
Excellent. We can finalize the report then.
Look at the color alignment on run 34B. Absolutely perfect registration.
The automated correction is performing flawlessly.
Look at the fluctuation here in the microprinting scan. The density variations are higher than the acceptable threshold.
Aligning the platform now. Clear. Send the next two through. Make sure they're secure.
Alpha Bravo 1, you are clear to proceed.
Gates closing behind the convoy. All secure.
Alpha Team, this is Vault Control. Biometrics confirmed.